Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1928 Auburn Convertible replica, listed for $22,000 US in Byhalia, Mississippi. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, homemade 1928 replica Auburn, all metal, 350 Chevy engine, air conditioning, automatic, 4-seater, boat tail, ready to drive, $22,000 or best offer. And up next we have this 1970 Myers-Manx SR, listed for $24,500 US in Hot Springs Village, Arizona. It's been driven 25,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1600 dual port Type 3 motor, dual carbs, Pertronic distributor and coil, external oil filter and cooling, 1968 VW chassis, soft and hard top, side curtains. Alright, here we have a 1988 Ferrari Daytona kit car listed for $42,900 US in Copiague, New York. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly. I'm sorry if I am not. It's been driven 800 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, Ferrari 365 Daytona replica built on a 1988 Corvette chassis and drivetrain, V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, dual exhaust. Okay, this one's a little bit different than usual. Here we have a 1933 Willis 77 replica, listed for $45,000 US in Mankungi, Pennsylvania. Again, I apologize, I'm not sure how that's pronounced. It has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1933 Willis, superior fiberglass body, not a race car body, 502 with Hillborn fuel injection, turbo 400 with 3500 converter, front extended 7.5 inches, doors extended 2.5 inches, top chopped 3.5 inches, custom built 2x4 frame Looking to trade for a 55 Chevy sedan mini tubbed, or a 55 gasser? We'll consider other trades, hot rods and street rods only. Alright, this one was new to me. I've never heard of this one before. A 2004 Diva Roadster, listed as a Ford Model A for $24,000 US in Louisville, Kentucky. It's been driven 8,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 2004 Diva Roadster, 383 stroker, 400 horsepower, 350 turbo transmission, only 39 were made, 24,000 or best offer, possible trades, classics or hot rods. Alright, here we have a budget-conscious listing, a 1959 VW Dune Buggy listed for $5,500 US in Fresno, Ohio. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1959 VW Dune Buggy, unknown mileage, runs good, almost new tires, has a few small issues that can be fixed if you want. Alright, here we have a 1957 Porsche 356A replica listed for $49,999 Canadian in East St. Paul, Manitoba. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, Chop Shop Replicas presents this used coupe with a 1600 rebuilt air-cooled motor, 4-speed manual transmission, Manitoba safety inspection, daily driver, trades welcome. And here we have a 1923 Ford Tbucket listed for $18,000 US in Calistoga, California. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 1923 Tbucket, Chevy small block, 400 auto trans, very fast and fun, custom top, just got tagged for 2025. Alright, this one looks like fun. Here we have a street legal dune buggy listed for $12,500 US in Culver, Oregon. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, on or off-road buggy, fiberglass body, full cage, powered by a Chevy 2.2 fuel-injected Ecotec, less than 1,500 miles on the build, fun to drive, has Oregon plates, new tags, title and registration, possible trade for a pair of jet skis. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1929 Mercedes-Benz 190E replica listed for $6,500 US in Bedford, Ohio. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1929 Mercedes Gazelle replica, runs and drives well. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.